Yeah, yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinch trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah, yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing they silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right, staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Day payouts.
What up? What up, what up? What is going on? FOMC day. Yeah, Bob, I will. I will. Just 1 second. Let me get this chat fired up. Oh, let's see here. Rayu in the house. What is up? Cosmos, Slick Rick, Fiber Splice, Stefan. What's going on? How you been? Lay's in the house. Bob. Yeah, so it's used for news only. So what Bob's talking about. So I have 2 streams going up, by the way. YouTube Shorts and regular. So so basically, here's the thing. It's called the rule of 4. And basically this is what it is. So the rule of 4, I'm on YM chart, 10 minutes time frame. And so this was the news candle, the FOMC. It's basically used on the FOMC only. I guess you can use it for like non-farm payroll or whatever. But it's called the rule of 4. It's by Tom Hugard. So FOMC, 10-minute candles. So here's the first news candle. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. This big giant pink candle is the 4th candle, and you simply just take the break. Take the break of that candle. Now, where do you place your stop? Well, technically, you're supposed to place your stop on the opposite end of that candle, you know, obviously you got to size appropriately because that was a giant candle, and then take profit where you're gonna want to take profit. So yeah, that's the rule of 4. So we took that on stream. We ended up passing that Bielanox account with it, which is sweet. So it's so weird. So right now my Streamlabs is over on my global side, my portrait side, which is the YouTube Shorts. I don't know how to change that. So when I do the giveaway, it's gonna have to be over on the mobile side. I apologize for that. I need to figure out how to. It seems to be random at this point. I don't know how to fix it. So I want to give away another account tonight. There, so how'd you guys end up? You guys do all right? I know Fred had a pretty good day. We'll do it at 8 o'clock. Well, right around 8 o'clock, so towards the end of the stream. Actually, you know what? I need to, I feel like I'm gonna be explaining that all night. There. Oh, let's see here. So, giveaways. Exclamation point pine in the chat. So you have to be over on the mobile side. I don't know why. Not sure. Tommy, what is up? Slick Rick Blue 4 TPT test and funded Bielanox. Yeah, not hard to do. Omega Stonk, all you have to do is be here around 7:50 Eastern time. Enter in on the mobile side, exclamation point pine, and it automatically will enter you. We will do a moose race. What is up, Sports Don? Fiber Splice in the house, and make sure you smash the like button on both sides. That's the phone setup. Yeah, I have 2 setups going. What's up, Peter? What is up? Trading was good. Yeah, we streamed it, Tommy. In case guys, in case you missed it, you can check it out. We passed a Bielanox account. Live on stream. Made 1900 on the first push, and then made the rest 1100 on you know, full porting. Not really, but what is up, Mystic Rick? Batman Cat, what is up? Exclamation point pine in the chat. Giving away an any size Apex account. This is gonna be so confusing, guys. I'm so sorry, but like you're gonna have to go over the mobile side to join the giveaway. It's I don't know why. I need to figure out how to being able to switch it. I wish it would just do it on both, but it's Mobro, Sean, Kelly, his Royal Trades. What is up? The mobile side seems to be getting more eyes, so that's why I've been doing it, but Modern, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. All right, market's pushing up, 24,500. So yeah, so it was a pretty fun session that we were hanging out on the FOMC. That was fun. Oh, Coach Fred, did you get that explanation of the rule of 4? Maybe I'll just explain it again. So we took a really nice trade. We got more people joining in. I took a nice trade on, it's very systematic. It's called the rule of 4. Basically, it's a YM. I use YM. Put it on a 10-minute chart. It's during FOMC days. And then you have the news candle. and then you wait 4 10-minute candles over. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this pink candle here is the 4th candle, and then you take the break, just like how I do with the inside bars. You take the break, stop goes above or below, whichever side it breaks, and then take profit is very discretionary. We actually took it until we passed the Bielanox count. I didn't need that much more, and we took it with micros, so it actually worked out pretty good. And that's it. Pretty simple. It's a Tom Hugard strat. Yep, 4 10-minute bars. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's pretty cool. Does your 5-minute ATR really say 50 points? It might. It might, Trev. What is up? Hey, Modern Dawood. What is up? Play on YM? Well, I mean, that's the way, that's the way I traded it, is on YM, but maybe it worked on, let's take a look. Let's experiment. Let's put it on that 10-minute NQ. Alright, so which one was the news candle? Alright. Huh. Looks weird. So here's the 1 p.m. candle, the news candle. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, which has been this giant pink candle. I mean, yeah, I mean, you could have got, I mean, you couldn't have got a 1-to-1 out of it, but you could have took it for 80 points. But yeah, a little wild doing it with the NQ. Do we keep pushing higher? Look at that volatility. Very nice. Big candles. We like that. Hey, 956. What is up? The funny takes for I reached the high frequency trading. Oh, really? Coach Red? Yeah, I bet. Amit, do I trade gold? Yeah, sometimes I do. I try to avoid it, but Dishu, what is up? So exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys have to go over to the mobile side to enter. Sorry about that. The portrait view? Yeah. No, just come over here, Discipline. Come over to the other side. But yeah, it definitely seems to get more views because I think it puts it out on the YouTube Shorts. I don't know. Can you make 1,000 and make 2,000 next day to pass a 50K core? No. No. I don't think so, Discipline. They do have some wiggle room though. I mean, say you make 1,450 and then make 1,550 the next day, it should work. But yeah, if anyone's an expert on Streamlabs and knows how to, when you're running dual streams, on how to get Streamlabs on both, instead of like, I'd like to have Streamlabs the bot. Right now, I only know how to. It just seems to be random. So it's like when I start the stream, it just kind of goes to one side. When we were doing the giveaway earlier, it was on the regular side. Yeah, I know. He's the expert on that stuff. What is up, Chef Chris? So toy CT, if you want to enter, you gotta go on the other side. The mobile side. Oh, I did my phone. Be right back. I'm back. Sweet. Yeah, it's confusing. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I'd rather just have it on the main chat, but the main side. All right, market's pushing up off this outside bar. I thought about taking a long here, but so I don't know what to expect tonight. Sometimes you kind of get choppy, letting the market breathe. We'll see what happens. Gold was absolutely insanely wild. Look at that, boy. I mean, I called out that short to fill that wick, and we did get a big chunk of it, but I didn't hold long enough. Always in hindsight, right? But man, what a wild FOMC gold candle. I don't know if you guys caught that, but that is just absolutely insane. Michael, what is up? Had a tough day. 956. 350 from test blow up. Had to get another one. Oh man, I hate that. I've definitely blown up accounts when you only needed so much. So I kind of told a story. I was telling a story on Twitter to Damn Good Kyle. I was like, I once needed I had $9,000 locked in for a payout, and through Top Step, and I wanted a 10K payout, and I blew the account. So it was just like so stupid. I should have just took the 9K, right? It's something about trying to get that 5-figure payout, you know? It's like I wanted that 5-figure payout. Pretty good movement so far. Oh, really, Reedon? You did the same thing? Tried out Funded Futures Family? Oh, man. I put a buy stop on gold before the news and reversed on gold. Made 4,500 on the combine. Nice, Amid. Yeah, that's sweet. Did anyone else pass any accounts with the on the news? Like, did you full port them? Full port? I mean, I tried to full port. I full ported the YM. So that's a little trick that I was showing earlier. Is that when I have like CPI and FOMC days, and I have like a cheaper eval, and I'll like bracket or whatever, and then I'll send it with YM, and I don't use NASDAQ. I'll full port it with YM, and it seems to be a little bit smoother. Yeah, smash the likes button. Thank you, One Up. Click the 3 dots top right of the screen, hit that like button. Let's go. Thank you. So you guys have to enter in on the mobile side. I don't know why, but you have to enter in on the mobile side for the giveaway. Exclamation point Pine. We're bouncing off that VWAP. We are right. Seems like we're right at the resistance. I don't know if we're just gonna keep pumping or what. Crazy. We ended up closing within yesterday's candle. Wow. Yeah, we did. I don't really know what to think. I mean, do we go back and test some of this wick of the daily candle or not? I don't know. I did pretty good today, John. Not too bad. Yeah, last night I got beat up. I was not I got beat up on my core counts. That's why I had to start over. But yeah, I did pretty good. Up on a pro account. And Bulenox, I locked in a $1,500 payout. I actually got paid, which is sweet. So this is my third payout on this one account. I don't even really know how it works. I know that supposedly I have uncapped payouts now, but I really don't know how it works. So it should be interesting. Find out. One eval, but hit consistency. See how Funditex does with it. Oh, nice. JC Trey's got his first Bulenox payout using code Pine. Let's go. So Pine is Bulenox is 83% off. If you guys want to check that out. I hit $1,000 on. I have 3 50K straight to funded accounts. On top one. That's what you see here on the Project X. So, giving them a shot. We have an inside buy. Probably take it. Let's see. Ooh, I'm in 3 minis. I did not want to be in 3 minis. Why does it never go in your favor when you fat finger a trade? No inside on the micro. No, you're right. So yeah, so I don't know if I don't know if it's gonna be a choppy session or what, or like how tomorrow's gonna be. It should be usually, you know, with rollover, FOMC, we got all this stuff going on. I'd be curious to see like how, if the market smooths back out, you know. You blew up your live, Rayu? No kidding. Top one banned you. A lot of the props will do that now. If you get a live account, then they'll ban you. Caleb, what is up? Alright, I gotta get out of 2 here. When is the giveaway? It's gonna be around 7:50 Eastern time. Large daily downwick. Maybe Mark wanted to do nothing lower. Yeah, I know, Sports Don. It's the plunge protection team. Yeah, Rayu. Took 34K from them. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna give them a shot. I mean, I don't know. It's $150 for a straight to funded account, 50K. So, and the 25Ks are about 89 bucks straight to funded. So, really can't beat that. That's with Top One, guys. If you want to try them out using code PINE, appreciate it. Pretty good deal. Sucks that I'm banned. I know. No issues with Buellanox with the payout. Let's go, JC Trades. 7, what is up? Just looking at inside bars with the ticks. Yeah, interesting. Righty even had a cleaner move. Yeah, I know. Sometimes I think about that. The old righty. Boy, I wish I didn't fat finger that trade. It means I'm already down a little bit. F9, what is up? Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. It goes in your favor when you use micros instead of minis. I know. Bebe Rich. It should be better, yeah. I'm thinking even by Monday. I think by Monday it should be fairly, who knows, back to normal-ish, but let's see, check the news. Tomorrow, you have unemployment claims in the morning. And then Friday, and not much news Friday, just core retail sales, Canadian in the morning, but not a red folder. Yeah, not a whole lot of news. Double inside bar. Inside bar on the MNQ as well. So we'll see. We'll see if we actually can break that high and get a little pop. Maybe I'll add yeah, the plunge protection team. I know it's kind of a, I'm not making it up. It was an actual thing. I guess so. Yeah. Took you 14 days, JC Trades. That's awesome. Congratulations. 10 days is a long time. Yeah. So I'm long off this first inside bar. I shouldn't even been triggered in actually, because we actually never did break. Put in equal highs. So I think we do break it. Might get a little spike up through. Maybe run some stops. Hopefully. Well, there's the spike-ish. Not much of one. I'm in 2 contracts now. Whole lot of momentum on that push. So the first hit inside bar on the Globex session is very hit or miss. I actually been looking at the first 5-minute ORB. That actually seems to be working pretty well. Nice, Caleb. First 5-minute ORB. Sweet. Yeah, it's a good one. How you been trading it 1-to-1, or do you have a set stop or set take profit? I kind of like the 1-to-1s on the first 5-minute ORB. Oh, nice. Then yeah, okay. Nice. How do I compare the TP to take profit to MES if I were in it? I don't know. I don't know, Team Massive. I very rarely look at. I mean, usually it's like 5 points for every. They say like 5 points of ES is equivalent to like 20 points NQ or something like that, or I don't know. Big outside bar here. This is looking pretty good. Slow, but it's moving in the right direction. Let's go, Caleb. Yeah, done at 9:30. I don't know. That's the best thing about ORBs, is that you're done so soon. I think the best thing about the number one rule with any systematic trading is when you take the systematic trade, is to walk away when you're done, whether you're red or green, and that's the biggest thing. Well, I wish I didn't fat finger that trade. It would be up good amount of points, but that's all right. Take one off. Took one off there. We'll let the rest ride. Anyone asked me? Well, yeah, it's cool, Nate. 1 to 3, yeah, ES to NQ, right? Yeah, it's not real money until it hits bank. That's right. Nice pump. Could this be one of these days where we just pump up through the highs? Wonder how many people blew their accounts today? Cajun? Well, prop firms made a lot of money, yeah. Prop firms made a lot. we'll take that off. Nice, nice 15 points or so. Damn, you missed it. That's right, there'll be another one. Oh, 956. I think I still do that. I mean, I think a lot of traders are still, you know, there's always someone going long and there's always someone going short, right? And the thing about NASDAQ is that when you get a lot of volatility like we had earlier today, it's like you can be wrong about the direction and still make money, depending on the time frame that you're trading on. If you're scalping, you know, if you're trading, you know, small ticks like Coach Fred, you know, looking for scalps, you know, you can still make money where, you know, he might have not always caught the right direction, you know, but you just, you know, the overall direction of the market. So say like we were coming down this morning, obviously kind of bearish, and then, but with the volatility, you can, in the NQ, you can still make money, which is interesting. Something like YM and stuff is not as forgiving. ES, it's not as forgiving either. You know what's funny? When I'm looking at the chart, I'm looking at it, and I'm looking at it like this is the beginning of the day at 1 o'clock. But really, it started, you know, these tiny candles, which almost looks like overnight. That was actually the beginning of the day. It just looks like the overnight, but this is actually the full day. All right, this is actually just the FOMC. So I'm like, oh yeah, this is the first inside bar, but I'm like, no, this was at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. First inside bar was over here and it did not work. Relatively small stop out, so no harm, no foul. If you failed 10 take profit trader pro accounts, you have to wait another month to get approved again. I don't know. Is that a new rule or something, Max? I haven't heard of that. I know that Top Step has that rule. You can only buy, what, 10 evals in a month, but the trick is you can reset them. Yeah, they were some monster candles. Remind me of like what, last April, March, something like that. Only if you fail them all within the month with Take Profit Trader. Oh, you can't activate more than 10 pro accounts in 1 month. Oh, I see. Because that's what happens. What happens, Max, is that people, they'll have a bunch. There's actually a pretty big streamer that kind of does this. But they'll have a bunch of past Take Profit Traders accounts. So that way if they blow one, they have one ready to activate. And then, so they're basically, I don't know if they're trying to YOLO them or what, but they keep a bunch of in the bank basically. And if they smash that pro account, then they got another one right ready, and then they send it, you know. Yo, Mind Money Mastery, what is up? Yeah, I know. It is really expensive. Guess what I'm saying is that when Oh yeah. Well, so 956. So basically, it's like, so the way I look at it is like I don't really know where the market's going. I mean, no one really does. We just have a guess, and you just got to trade your setup that you see, and then use proper risk management, and that's all. That's all we can do. I mean, besides that, I mean, the market is pretty much a coin flip. You never know. I mean, we could get a news can. Everyone thinks, oh, we're gonna go take out the highs, and then next thing you know, we get a tweet, and the market drops, 200-300 points. So, yeah, it's all good. And when I'm in a long, there's always someone in the chat that's probably short. Or when I'm short, there's always someone in the chat that's probably long. It's what makes the market. So TPT doesn't charge rebuilds with past evals. Oh, that's interesting. I did not know that. So you truly can just kind of bank them. So same with Bulanox. So you can have some banked with Bulanox. Have them sitting right there. It's fade pine night. Sometimes. I've been trading pretty good today, so, but there's still time for me to screw up some accounts. Think we failed the gap way up there, or fail it at all-time highs? I don't know. It feels like we're just gonna push it. But that was a big rejection there off 550s. Part of me wants to stay in this long, but we definitely have some room to the upside. Do have some gaps and inefficiencies. And then, of course, the all-time high is looming right there. But, man, that daily candle is freakish. Kind of did the same thing right here on 9-2. Pushed down and just got bought right back up. Making new session highs. Let's take a look at gold. Let's see if gold's moving. Gold's really not doing too much yet. I expect gold to move tonight. I don't know about you guys, but especially with the Asia markets, I think it probably will move. Silver has also been a little bit crazy to trade. No more 20 accounts with Elite Trader funding. I have actually never traded with them yet. That is big news. So how many accounts? Exclamation point Pine. If you want to join the giveaway, you have to be over on the mobile side. I apologize. I don't really know how to fix it, but Ari, what is up? Scalp Ripper, you've been watching the 4-hour charts. Divergence and below, overbought, oversold. It's been great for my trades. Nice. Yeah, that's it's not bad. I do like the hourly chart sometimes. I used to watch that. 4-hour chart is pretty good too. A lot of people use it for sure. We are breaking, still pushing. So nice break off the inside bars. Also nice ORB break. Basically, market's been straight up since the open. Was a crazy day. So we'll giving away an Apex account, any size account. Have I seen Luna? No. He did a 24-hour stream, right? He's probably sleeping. He didn't make it 24 hours? So no one's done the 24 hours fully? Am I gonna have to do it? Is it even worth it? I don't think it's worth it. Totally gold in the house. What is up? Bought the open one mini eval, plan to hold overnight as my sleep isn't bad. Yeah. Yeah, I know, Nate. Yeah. Leaving trades on overnight is tough. What I like to do is, like, when I leave a trade on an eval, I'll just put like $400 take profit or something, and then and see if it hits it. So I don't even put it in a stop loss. I just put in, I think, this is what direction I think it's going. I'll put it on, and if it hits it, it hits it. That's some degen stuff. But usually it's on a very inexpensive eval, Did I trade the FOMC news? I did. Where were you? Where you been? Hanging out with other streamers? Yeah, I was streaming. What's up, Roman? Yeah, we traded it. We passed a Bulanox on stream, a fresh one, $3,000. Not on the news candle fully, but we did get $1,900 dollars out of it. Was in class teaching. Oh, come on, those kids don't need nothing. You teach them the markets. Nah, just kidding. Yeah, we are pushing higher. Pretty much that's the open. Yeah, we caught some nice trades, Roman. Caught some beautiful trades. Yo, Corey the phone trader, what is up? Just drink some Sprite, zero sugar if you got a stomach ache. That's not a bad idea. I do like ginger when I have a stomach ache. A little ginger. Some real ginger ale usually is pretty good. Ginger beer. Made 150 on my 5th day on Tradeify times 5. Prop firm for keeps. $8,750 payout. Let's go. Wow, we are still pushing higher, making new session highs. No end in sight. I really wish we just held on to that trade, but I'll load for 100, trying for 150, then lose it all. Yeah, I know. I know, Nate. Leave the long. Free longs. Yeah, I know you leave trades on overnight. You're kind of a swing trader. It's tough. 2 times. What is up? You still in? Let's go. 0.25 rate cut. I think so. I think that's what they announced. Yeah. Wake up in profits is always nice. Yeah. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, you have to go over to the mobile side. I apologize. Exclamation point Pine on the mobile side. Streamlabs is only working on that side for some reason right now. No idea why. And smash the like button on both sides if you can do me a favor. Let's push this YouTube algorithm. Hey, Nick. Yeah, it's been crazy this week. It's tough. True. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Kato in the house. Thank you, Chef Chris, for liking both sides. For me, it was wild. I was on my 150K account. I went down 2,000 on a trade, and then it flipped and made... Holy cow. So lucky, Roman. Nice. Yeah, that's what's nice about those 150Ks. You got some room to do that. Ant-Man is trading all-time highs. Yeah, it is tough because, you know, you want to short because all-time highs, but the market keeps going higher. You also can get some massive drops even in a super bullish market. So it's tough. Myconesian. I've been trading futures since 2021. Thanks for joining. Toys, stop telling them to use mobile. Maybe I'll win today. Yeah, I know. So we're gonna be doing quite a few giveaways. So thanks to Apex, believe it or not. So thank you, Apex. It's given me a bunch of accounts to give away to you guys. So we're gonna be doing a fair amount over the next few days. We gave out one earlier. 24,575 in a sell limit. Oh yeah, right up in that. See where you're looking at. Yeah, so I think you can get any size account. Any size account, any size, or any platform too. Yeah, so any account, any platform. Apex is also 80% off, so if you'd like to help support this channel, use code PINE. I appreciate it. Of course, with all the other props as well. I'm working on the Discord. I got some ideas for the Discord as far as the discount code section and stuff to try to make it a little cleaner. I gotta work on that stuff. I'm not that good. I'm not that good about it. I don't really know how to do that kind of stuff, but I'm learning. Furry Greek, what is up? Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. So we're on our way to 4,000 subs. Grinding. What's the discount on Velanox right now? It is 83% off option ones, I believe. Let me double check. $83 off option ones, yes, and 75% off option twos, which is the end of day accounts. you can use Pine 2. You have to do both with Bionox. It's a pain in the ass, but 3 people have figured that out, so appreciate that. But yeah, for option 2, Pine 2. For option 1, 83% off, 25Ks and 50Ks, you can just use Pine. We need another 90% off. That's what we need. Futures Trader Teams, what is up? Ooh, wow, we are pushing up higher. Probably just email me. Pine Tree Trader. I think that's my email. How do you enter on the mobile platform? So just !Pine. You gotta just click on my channel, and man, we are rocketing, guys. Congratulations for those that are still holding. I've been out for I got out at 15 points. But yeah, you gotta go over to the mobile side and put !Pine. The YouTube Shorts side. Maybe I should change the name to mobile. Right now it says portrait. Let me change that. YouTube does that automatically, actually. There we go. So yeah, if you go to my channel, you'll see it mobile. So I'm streaming across both right now. Giving it a shot. It's kind of a trial period. I don't know if it's making any difference or not, but boy, we're still pushing here. 566, making new session highs. Gold doing nothing, sitting on the VWAP. YM's actually curling up, pushing. Oh wow, nice trade on the YM tonight, actually. Just straight up. Cut a little scalp, nice. Micronesian. Play break then dump. Yeah. Possibly. I don't know. It's not looking like it wants to dump anytime soon. But possibly. This is a bit of resistance right here. Yeah, still running. 7, nice. Nice trade. You think they want 25K? It's possible, yeah. I mean, it is possible. Such a bull run, huh? Not just tonight, but just overall. Just crazy. Took profit literally to the high of the day, didn't fail. I hate when that happens. Yeah. I know. So this could be a spot of possible resistance. We do have this inefficiency and gap here, but at this point, I'm not seeing any reversal candle. I mean, not even. I mean, we're just one time framing up on the 5 minutes, so one time frame for new traders just kind of means like higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low. So one time frame all the way up. Kind of like what the daily chart looked like for what, 10 days in a row? I actually made money on a short on the personal account. Just I bought some SQQQ on the 10th green day in a row. I was like, I mean, come on. I mean, we're gonna get a little bit of a pullback, and we did. So thankfully, I made a little bit of money. Not that much. I made like $350, but hey, $350, $350. Five-minute chart looks awesome. It does. It's just a squeezing. To get back in on the pullback. So one way to kind of get in on when you get in a nice trend up, and you're kind of like, well, we're probably just gonna trend using the 9 EMA like this on the 1 minute chart, and kind of offer you spots to hop in. If you look for touches, and you see it, we just kind of rode it all the way up. At this point, I don't know, but I mean, we're kind of like getting up to that point of resistance, but as of right now, I mean, it's not showing any signs of a pullback, and we could just pull back, like kind of sweep the low of the previous 5 minute candle, and then just buyers step right back in and pop it. But for right now, there's nothing for me to do. I caught about 15 points out of it, and now I'm having FOMO and sitting on my hands. Taking a look at the book map too, I'm not really seeing anything like any large lots. Not seeing any large lots right now, but imbalance fill at 583. Yeah, that's kind of what I was looking at too. If you look left, yank it over here. So right here, there's that imbalance gap up here. What would you do for 350 Klondike bars? I know, right? I want to get my Take Profit Trader Pro account back in the daily payout land. That's kind of like my goal right now. Being able to pay yourself every single day is awesome. So with Trade Day, Take Profit Trader, I mean, Take Profit Trader still got some pretty good deals going on. Especially the intraday trailing accounts. I do like those end of day accounts. They're a little more money though, but it's like you can really catch a nice move on an end of day trailing account. Then it's awesome. So if you guys haven't tried out Trade Day, give them a shot. Pine with a capital P will get you the best discount on them. I did get one payout with trade day last month, so it was one of my I actually been trading with them I think since 2022 or something like that, and I was like, you know, I tried way back then, and then I left them alone, and then they kind of been back making their rounds, like getting more popular again. So like, you know, I gotta get back on some trade day, and got paid out on day one, about $500, but then blew the account the next day. So after I got paid, so ICT. Oh really? Oh, hey, Coach Fred, you never know. I could be ICT. You never know. I was secretly watching it. No, actually it wasn't. I think I did see the video up last night late. I was abducted by ICT. Not the market makers. The other way around. Remember to scroll down if you want, Ninja. You bought another wealth charts account. Oh man. Yeah, I've never tried out the wealth charts, but it didn't look. It doesn't look that great. I don't know. I'll just stick with the Trade of 8, Project X, for now. I know My Funny Future is supposed to come out with their own platform as well, so we'll see how that one is. Project X kind of taken over for a lot of firms. $126 people. Smash the like button. Yeah, only 69 likes, guys. Come on. We gotta get it over at least 100 something before we do a giveaway. We gotta do at least 100 likes. But we'll do it giveaway in about 50 minutes. Put an inside bar. So we are at that point of resistance here. It's breaking to the upside. I mean, yeah, there it goes. So it's kind of giving you a little point of entry, but I mean, here's the thing: the market can always go higher, right? And it can always go lower. So that's what you have to tell yourself on trend days. Unless you're like really good at catching reversals and things like that, you know, you just always gotta ask yourself or tell yourself, market can always go higher, it can always go lower. It's irrational sometimes, so it just keeps going. Just when you think like, oh, this is the turnaround, but teach his own. Trade what you see. Trust me, I have blown many accounts trying to catch tops and bottoms, so I need to practice what I preach sometimes. I use wealth chart. You like it 2 times? I've never used it. This would kind of offer a cheap short, long. I mean. This is right where Doward says he was going to go short. 75.25. I think that's what he said. I don't know if he's still listening. He's probably trading. Something like that. He trades personal accounts, so it's probably you're in. All right, he's in. So that's why the market's stalling, because Doward's got his big 500 lots up there messing around with the market. Trade What You See is a book by one of the my favorite trader, Larry Pesavento. Yes, Tom Hugard talks about Larry Pesavento all the time. That's probably why Tom Hugard says that a lot. I say that a lot too. Because probably from them guys. Wish just one mini? Hey, that's plenty. Just trading one mini on a personal account, that's plenty. You can always scale up. Nice, Nate. Yeah, nice call. So we are here. I'm thinking about trying a long here, just because of the inside bar, but all right, we're triggered long here. Very tight stop. We could get stopped on this. I'm trying it on the different account here. 10-point stop. See if we keep pushing higher. Maybe please do not follow my trades. But yeah, we'll see. Try it on the other eval account. I got 2 MyFunded Future core accounts. So I talked about it earlier, but I'll just say it again. So if you guys have used my Take Profit Trader code in the past, say, week or so, and it wasn't working for you, it's fixed now. So you can use my code again. So code PINE with MyFunded Futures. I really appreciate it. Do I like trade day? Yes, I do, Corey. Yeah, I was actually just talking about it. How I got a payout with it last month, but then I blew the account with trade day. So yeah, I'm just gonna use a quick, just off this inside bar. It is a little sketchy. I agree, Nate. Look for like a quick scalp. I'm actually gonna tighten that stop up here to 65. So only risking 130 here. Maybe we actually bust through the top here. Dow short, I know. You're comfortably playing around with the micros? Nice. Well, that's the thing, is like I need to perhaps start trading micros with my funded accounts, because I've just been incredibly impatient. So I definitely need to do some adjustments. Perhaps take a break. You know, take a few days and try to reset. Silky C just submitted your first payout, $1,500 payout with Bulanox. Let's go. Can you compare it to Take Profit Trader? Yeah, Corey. So basically, they're kind of the same. So between Trade Day and Take Profit Trader, the two differences, the main difference is the eval stage. Take Profit Trader is 50% consistency on the eval. It's 5 days to pass. You can flip it for 3 days. So if you say you hit $3,000 on a 50K account with Take Profit Trader in 2 days, you can essentially just flip the account for the remaining 3 days. Trade Day is a 30% consistency over the course of 5 days. So that's the main thing. Take Profit Trader, Trade Day has end of day accounts and they have static accounts, and they stay that way right up straight through. So as soon as you so through the evaluations and the funded stage, they'll stay static or end of day or intraday trailing, whichever you choose. But yeah, you can still get day one payouts, daily payouts. But yeah, what else? You can make a little bit more, I believe, with Take Profit Trader, say on day one. With trade day, you have to stop at, say, 5,000. If you make $5,000 in one day, you're supposed to stop and pretty much tell them, or you forfeit profits. That's one thing that I've heard. I don't know if that's changed yet. Take Profit Trader, you can make up to $10,000 in a day, and then they'll liquidate your account. So if won 10% and 50% in 2 days, what will be expected percentage for the additional 3 days? Just whatever, just enough to pass the account MB. Yeah, whatever you need to. With Take Profit Trader, it doesn't matter. They don't care. You can literally flip those days. So you can just like go in and out of a trade like real quick. It doesn't matter. Do you keep your buffer after the payout? Yeah, oh, you want to make sure they're reputable? Yeah, they're reputable, dude. They've been around for a while. I mean, I was trading with them in 2022, I believe. It was 2022 when I started trading with them. Trade day. Yeah, Pine with a capital P, Corey. So with trade day, that's my only weird code, guys, is Pine with, it's capital, it's case sensitive, so it's Pine with a capital P with trade day. So I appreciate that. You hoping that Take Profit Trader adds Project X? I don't know. Yeah, that'll be cool if they do. Definitely gotten popular. Anyway, so do I keep my buffer after my payout? So yeah, 50K account, anything over $2,000. You keep or whatever if you take the payout. With trade day, you can take a payout into the buffer, but at 50%, I believe. So 50% profit split. You can actually, yeah, take the payout into the buffer. Which in hindsight, I wish I would have done on my first payout with them instead of the 500 bucks. I wish I would have just took, because I blew it the next day, but. All right, it's kind of stalling here, which is to be expected. I'm not looking for much. I'm just looking for a little scalp. If we can get a little pop at the top, then we'll be all right. But if not, we'll get stopped out for about 130 bucks. Not the end of the world. Basically long off this inside bar, but we are at a point of resistance. Equal lows 487. Nice, Dawood. Yeah. That'd be a good target on the shorts. Inside bar. That's right. Yes, we have a moose race later. Exclamation point Pine. You have to be over in the mobile side to enter because I don't know how to fix it. For some reason, Streamlabs, it's like picks a side when I start streaming, and I don't know. So you gotta go over to the mobile side. All right. Well, I don't know. I feel like I want to exit this trade here, but perhaps it'll keep going. We just made new session highs again, but maybe I'll just look for the true 1-to-1, perhaps. But we do have this inefficiency up here. Thoughts on Top Step, Seth? I like them. Yeah, I trade with them. Yep. I currently have no accounts with them at the moment, but yeah, I trade with them all the time. I think they're one of the best. So, probably get stopped out on this right here. Stop at 565.50. Entered 572. Could be rolling over from here. Is there a way to tell if you're already in? Do I get dinged if I hit the code twice? Oh no, you don't get dinged. No, you don't get dinged. If you typed it in over the mobile side, I'm sure you're in. It just won't. It won't do it again. But yeah, I gotta go over the mobile side and. Oh yeah, we could, Ari. Yeah, we definitely could pull back from here. Do I trade just trade 50k accounts? For the most part, yeah. 25ks and 50ks. I'm gonna exit this trade, I think. Yeah, I'm exiting. 30 down 35 bucks on this. Let's just see. This is I don't like it. Back now, let's go. Yeah, we'll do the giveaway in about 45, a little less than 45 minutes. 30 minutes or so. I might actually flip short. Dawood, I might actually flip short on this outside bar. But I don't know if I can afford a really wide stop like you use. I know you use really wide stops. The downfall of the props. Oh, back on the mobile stream. Let's go. Oh, there it goes. The trend is your friend. Coming for that moose race? Let's go. Got my moose race hat somewhere. Yeah, there it is. The moose race hat is just gearing up. Not much volume, liquidity grab in 1 minute, yeah. Yeah, the volume slowed down a little bit, but just kind of chopping around here. 570s. Traded this morning with a 50k account, managed to make 1198 in a single entry. Yeah. So my largest, I've talked about this before, but for the newbies, like my largest payouts ever came from 25k accounts. And I've done it multiple times with 25k accounts, which is kind of crazy. No, you can just enter once on the mobile side. It knows. It's what it does. This is what it does, guys. So, yeah, when you guys enter, it just enters you in right here. I can't really see it on the mobile side, but so yeah, see, it enters you in right here, and then that's it. Outside bar and inside bars. That's right, Cave Trader. See, I should have just went with my own gut there, but Put in that outside bar. It looked fishy, but oh well. It's going. I was just looking for a scalp. We'll wait for the next one now. But yeah, so you guys don't really need larger accounts. It all depends on how you trade, like what your style is, things like that. But really, I mean, larger accounts sometimes are tougher to get over the buffer. Obviously, what you're doing is you're paying for a larger drawdown. I mean, that's the main thing. But Tony, what is up? What is happening? Patiently waiting for NQ to enter overbought zones. Yeah, so guys, anyone over on the NLT, Donna, Stefan, if you guys want to enter in on the mobile side of the stream. Let's go, Corey. I appreciate you, bud. Thank you for using code PINE. You might be Stefan. No, it looks like a mobile. It actually says it's vertical. So yeah, stream will be vertical looking. You're probably already in though. Short now. Oh, you don't have to be on your iPhone. It's just you have to go over to my mobile side because I'm streaming on 2 different platforms. That's why. Yeah, yeah. I got 2 different platforms going on. GC about to squeeze shorts. Let's check out the good old gold. Yeah, starting to curl up, isn't it? I think gold will be fun tonight. I don't know. I just have this suspicion that gold will probably move around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock Eastern time. You know, the Asia markets. Yeah, gold and silver lately. Silver's been moving right around 9 o'clock Eastern time, 10 o'clock Eastern time. Yeah. Yes, it is, Corey. I believe so. Let me double check. Trade day. So they kind of force you to pay it up to basically trade it correctly, right? Not smash or pass it, which is actually not a bad thing. Yeah, 30%. Yeah, over 5 days. Thankfully, it's so they just changed it. Trade day went from 7 days to 5 days. So to pretty much match take profit trader, but they still have the 30% consistency. Who knows? Perhaps they go to 50% consistency eventually, but trade day's really been trying to compete. So I liked what I'm seeing from them. Let's go, Darwin. Good luck, sir. Good night. Thanks for tuning in. So we'll do the giveaway in about 20 minutes. Yeah, it's a lot like take profit trader, Corey. It's basically the same. Little differences, but I don't know. Market's just kind of getting choppy, kind of gone sideways. We're right at that resistance point, so who knows where it's gonna go from here. I feel like I'm still paddling upstream without a paddle, you know. If I try to go short, put in an inside bar here. I wonder if we win anything from any of the streamers I really support. Right. Well, we'll be doing quite a few giveaways upcoming because, like I said earlier, Apex Trader Funding has been very gracious to give a bunch of accounts to give away. So, pretty awesome. Pretty awesome affiliate manager too. Very responsive. Pretty awesome. So well, I am sure. Basically, it was an I think trade. I basically got to stop at 584.75. I'm thinking that we might kind of roll over here, but we could get paper cut. I'm sure there's lots of stops sitting up there at 579 now. We are really not moving. We're kind of going sideways. It was kind of looking like it was going to break out and then just pulled right back in. You like trade day, Sports Don? Yeah, me too. I think the ultimate is, you know, getting 5 trade day accounts, 5 take profit trader accounts, copy trading them all, getting daily payouts with 10 accounts. Can you imagine? That'd be nice. Yeah, Corey. I believe take trade day is 5 accounts. Yes. Which ones did you go with, Corey? Did you go with the intraday or the end of day? No, trade day you can have up to 6 accounts. Yes. Let's see. Well, I just read it on Google. Let's see. Multiple accounts. Let's see. Traders can have up to 6 accounts at any one time. Oh, the total is calculated across all evaluation account types and maximum of 3 funded sim accounts and 1 funded live. So basically you can have 3, if you pass more than 3 evaluations, only 3 of them will be moved to funded sim status. Yeah, so you can have 3 sim funded accounts and then 3 evaluations going, and you know. Oh, thank you, Sports Don. You guys already see. I don't even know why. I just look at the chat. You guys, right on it. Thank you. There are 18 orders at the Dom. 24,580. It's about double the. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I was kind of thinking the same thing. We probably just already get cooked. We got a 25 lot sitting down there at 565, but perhaps run that 580 before it pushes down to 565. MB, you gotta go over on the other side, the mobile side. What up, TJP in the house? What is up? Only 2 firms you traded? Yeah, well, 2 great choices, Sports Don. 55 points off the first inside bar? I know. It's way down there. Could have just held short, or held long and called it a day, right? Summon Roy Tony. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Well, you guys told me to go short. No, I'm just kidding. I'm blaming you guys. We'll leave stop where it is. We'll see if it gets hit. I think it will. Could get lucky. Every time I buy something, it goes the opposite. I know. I told you. I know. Hey, what's up, Terry Trades 100? How's it going? Did you catch the long from the open? First inside buy? For ORB, too. 5-minute ORB. Well. Alright, so down 274, up 296. I did not hedge these accounts. It would have been easier if I did. That is Terry Trades 100. That's going to be in the at the BDH next week, right? Guys, smash that like button. Let's get those likes up over 100 before we do the giveaway. We get giving away any size Apex eval tonight. And smash the like button on both sides if you guys can. Also follow Terry Trades 100 on YouTube. She has a she streams in the morning while I'm still sleeping usually. She's already up streaming. What's up with the dancing avocado every time someone subscribes? Do you see that? No, Caleb. Did you? I don't know. What did you take? You see, if you're seeing dancing avocados, dude, I don't know, man. You better go get checked out. Yeah, no. It's the dancing avocado, man. I bought a bag of avocados today, actually. I love avocado. Avocado toast or avocado and egg. Piece of toast with a little butter on it. Slap an put some avocado on it, and then put an egg on top of it. Mmm, some good stuff. Was the whole bag dancing? Right. Any size you want. Yep. Fed goat. Yep. Any size. You can pick a static account. You can pick a 300K account. Doesn't matter. So exclamation point Pine, but you gotta be over on the mobile side. So I got 2 streams going up, or the same stream but on 2 different platforms. So YouTube Shorts and the regular side. So it'd be nice if I could just do it on both sides, but for some reason Streamlabs likes to pick one or the other side. So I don't really know. I don't really know how to fix it. Are we a glutton for punishment? Do we go for another short here? Stop at the high. I am short. If I get stopped out on this account here, I'll be done for today. Perhaps a run back to the VWAP, but I don't know. It's tricky. Tricky. Am I the only one resetting an Apex 300K just to revenge trade on it? I know. Never seen so many fancy cars in one place. Yeah. He likes to buy fancy cars for sure. Alright, we're starting to push down a little bit. We'll see. Make this bleed. Let's dump it. Yeah, he's got some nice cars. Yeah, there is an activation fee for Apex. Yeah, you'll have to pay the activation fee. For sure. No Joom, just Vroom. Right. Yeah, I am not. We are on different levels. I drive a 2005 Toyota Corolla. Streamer's weird. You gotta go on the other side, Jack. I got the full stream up on the other side. I got 2 streams going, one mobile and one other. I mean, it's still weird. Yo, Josh, what is up? Just dump 50 points? I'll take it. PW doesn't have that Japanese CD player? No. He also doesn't have the Sony Bluetooth double deck player that I shoved in there and I didn't even install correctly because it kind of shakes and rattles. Because I was in a hurry. I just needed a Bluetooth. I wanted a Bluetooth player in there really quickly. I mean, I have some nice assets, but it's not in cars. That's for sure. I am not at that level yet. My house is very nice. The Corolla Royce, that's right. I've been doing good, Josh. Thank you so much. Yeah, doing well. Can we dump this to 22,000? I don't know. I think we could get a little bit of pullback though. Perhaps. You know, come back, test the VWAP for Tokyo Open, perhaps. I don't know. But I think the plays tonight are gonna be gold. I think gold's gonna move. Lifted lowrider. Yeah. No. The nice thing about my 2005 Corolla, even being in the Northeast, because it's sitting in Maine, where everything rusts, is that it's from Florida, so it's rust free. So that's something. That's why it's so old and still going. Most cars that age get brought to the junkyard because of rust. All right, so I'm gonna see. Exclamation point pine in the chat. You got to be over on the mobile stream side. Unfortunately, that's how it's working. But how do you flip? Basically, you just gotta go in and out of a trade real quick. Like, so when I flip, I use 1 tick stop loss, 1 tick take profit, and then I just mark it in, and then, or you can just go to a micro and you can just enter, like hit buy market, exit market real quick, and that's a flip. So that counts as a trading day for most prop firms. All right, so we're giving away any size Apex account. I'm gonna attempt to get the moose race fired up. Hot as hell, but I will put my moose race hat on. There we go. See if we can actually break down below the 566s. That'd be nice. Below this little block here. First, I'm gonna check to see how many likes we got, because if we ain't got enough over 100 likes, then I know it's annoying, but you know what? It does make a difference. Oh yeah, we got over 100 likes. Thank you so much. Smash that like button, don't forget. I appreciate that. You gotta be on the mobile stream? No, you gotta enter in on the mobile stream, but you can be on whatever stream you want. But to see it clearly, you probably, I don't know what it's gonna look like on the mobile side. It's just, I'm trying out this YouTube short thing, and basically I'm just streaming to both. so that way to see if it like try to get more eyes and stuff, because I think when people are flipping through YouTube Shorts, it's gonna pop up. That's kind of the theory, and I kind of stole the idea from Red Candles, and then I'm sure you're gonna see a bunch of other streamers trying to do this too, so it's a good idea. Thank you, Ari. Thank you, Rashad. Appreciate you. Does doing this help reactions? Yeah, I think so. I mean, I think it all, just you guys being here, smashing the like button, chatting, it all helps the YouTube algorithms. I don't really know how it works anymore, but like I knew before. I don't know how it works, period. But YouTube seems to like me because the channel's still growing, so that's all I can really ask for. Stock Tiger sings karaoke. I do moose races and put on a goofy hat. I don't really sing karaoke though. Thank you, Fed Goat. Yeah, it's over 100. Nice. Well, kind of looking a little bull flaggy. I feel like we could take out the highs again. I think I might get out of this trade. Or should I hold? Let's see. I feel like I'm micromanaging this way too much. Path to VWAP, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Heading to 590s, I kind of think so too. It's kind of looking like a bull flag break right here. If you look, oops. I'm gonna exit. I don't know, I just don't feel good about it. I feel like I'm just... Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Just gonna hold off. Let's see here. Could work for sure, but alright guys, exclamation point pine in the chat. I'll give it till 6:50 Central Time, 7:50 Eastern Time, before I close it down, and then we'll do the moose race. You gotta be over on the mobile side. So here it is. Oops. So if you're over, you gotta go over on the mobile side to enter, and then you come back to the full size. For some reason, that's why Streamlabs is just over on that side. So yeah, just kind of chopping barcoding right now sideways. So. And while you're there, smash the thumbs up. That's right, Nate. Thank you so much. I'm starving tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Hungry. So 2 minutes to enter. And don't worry, we'll do more. We'll do more tomorrow too. Well, I'll probably do 2 tomorrow. We'll do 2 tomorrow, 1 for members only, and 1 for everyone else. Tamil, thank you so much for the sub. Don't forget to smash the like button. Well, this is the bull flag panning out. Flag's been working big time. It's a good exit there. Stupid Yantis, thank you so much for the sub. Moose burgers, that would be delicious. PG. Very bullish market right now. I think we're gonna break the highs. Sorry guys. Just entered in on this trade. Kind of full porting right now. Alright, you guys entered. Alright, so let me close the entries here. Holy mochaccino! From Alaska would always send moose from. Oh man. Yeah, moose is delicious. Holy mochaccino. Let's see. Alright guys, must be here to win or to claim. We will do more giveaways all this week, so stay tuned. I am entered in long. I don't even want to watch it. Alright guys, good luck. It's a lot of Mises. Oh, it can go up forever, yeah. Jay Styles on the outside. Fiber Splice in the middle. Trying to get through. Must be here to win. Who's it gonna be? Ooh, it's a close race. Ooh, I think I know what this is. 956 Trader, let's go. 956. Bang. Awesome. Congratulations. Let's see who finished last. Let's see who finished last. Meep. His Royal Trades. Bringing up the rear. Nate bringing up the rear. Congratulations. 956. Where's my trade? Am I blown yet? We're going through that high. I'm just telling you. So awesome. 956, are you in the Discord? How does the race work? It's all random, Rashad. It's all random. Yeah, it's just a random race. Yep. You will be? Alright, maybe put the Discord in the chat. Because the link's probably broken in the... If you guys want to join the Discord, I'll post it on both sides. It's completely free. There's the Discord. Get up there. We're full port. I feel confident about this trade. Come on, break them highs. Nice 956. What's your Discord handle? All right, see if we can bust through those highs off. Yeah, that's what I wanted right there. Oh, just missed my other one by a tick there. I'm not gonna let this turn against me. Stops break even on the last one there. Just like the look of that candle, no sellers, no wick. I mean, pushed up and then just completely rejected, almost like equal highs in a way, and I was like, yeah, we're gonna bust through. All right, cool. I'll DM you. I don't want to let this trade go against me, so I'm kind of trailing the stop here. One thing you tell you, if it ain't going lower, then it must be going higher. I know. Right? I think that's what makes decent traders or good traders is being able to flip the switch and to adapt. You know, recognizing the market change and then just being able to adapt. I think that makes good traders. The guys and gals that can recognize that. It's just like, all right, shorts are just not working. We gotta go long. Usually I recognize that after I blow the account. Have I heard of Funded Next? Yeah, I have heard of Funded Next. I have not traded with them yet, but I've been meaning to. What has happened, Legends of Alexander? Ears code? No, we just did a moose race. So we got the moose race hat on. Alright, 956, you just came across. I don't know, it's delayed. Let me see. So you go 956. So yeah, just use that code with Apex for any size account that you want, and should work just fine. King of the Sydney session. Thank you so much. So we got back a little bit. We were in some drawdown on that account, up 296. We caught the nice long off the first inside bar. Basically, I caught 15 points off of it, and then I just continued to push up higher. So, but then had this nice little flag break here. Came up, popped, pulled back, and I was just like, man, we're gonna pop through that high. And then we went in long there. We tried a short, a few shorts, got stopped out. I think gold probably will get shake, rattle, and rolling here. Probably another 30 minutes or so, I bet you. I'm guessing, but I'm gonna call it there. I don't know about you guys. I'm exhausted. Trading FOMC, kind of intense. But thank you so much for hanging out. Smash that like button on your way out. If you'd like to support the channel, please use code PINE for Apex, Bulanox, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, My Funded Futures. I do got my code back, My Funded Futures. Please use my Funded Futures code so they won't get rid of me again. I appreciate it. Yeah, and a bunch of other firms too. Funding Ticks, Top One. You can use code PINE too, so I appreciate that. I will be back tomorrow, and this was fun. We had a fun FOMC stream. If you guys want to check out that, check out the live feed. Look for the FOMC stream. We passed a Bulanox 3,000. We got $3,000 to pass a Bulanox account live on stream. You can kind of see how I did it if you're interested in that. And yeah, anyways, that's enough talking for the day. Peace out, guys. I appreciate the support. And I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll do more giveaways tomorrow night for sure, 6 p.m. Eastern time. And that's all I got. Trade safe, and see you guys later. Peace.